Hey, so how to record Square sales in QuickBooks Online? In this video, I'm going to share a really cool app that helps you do just that. It's called Link My Books. And in the description of the video, you are going to find a free trial of Link My Books and also a free onboarding link, plus 50% off for 3 whole month special coupon code to save money for Link My Books. So Square integration syncs Square payouts with deposits in Xero or QuickBooks, offering a clear breakdown of sales, refunds, fees, and taxes. So Link My Books basically is accounting and bookkeeping software, accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot. Save time and money by automating your bookkeeping, all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. So gain financial clarity with Link My Books. Check out the free trial, free onboarding link in the description with the best discount. What's cool also about Link My Books that you can use it with Square, as previously mentioned, but also with WooCommerce, TikTok Shop, Walmart, Etsy, eBay, Shopify, and Amazon. And another cool thing is that Link My Books can be used by e-commerce sellers, but also accountants and bookkeepers. So if you're an e-commerce seller, then in the description, you're going to find this video where myself, Vava Evan, great to meet you, Amazon seller, and Daniel Little, the co-founder of Link My Books, show you how to use Link My Books from A to Z for e-commerce sellers. It's a 30-minute tutorial, and after watching this video, you understand how Link My Books can help you with your accounting and bookkeeping with your e-commerce business. Now, if you're an accountant or bookkeeper, Link My Books can be useful for you as well. So in the description, we have a tutorial, again with Daniel, where we show you how to use Link My Books for bookkeepers and accountants. A 41-minute A to Z tutorial that shows you how to master Link My Books and how it can help you with your accounting or bookkeeping business. We talk about the pricing of the tool. We show you how it works from A to Z. We touch on the frequently asked questions. And also in the video for e-commerce sellers, we show you exactly how to use it, but also we talk about the pricing. We touch on some questions that arise. So again, in the description, free trial of Link My Books, free onboarding link, and the best coupon code for Link My Books. It's going to be also an affiliate link. Means that if you ever do business with Link My Books, I'm going to get a little commission from that. No extra cost to you, but in this way, you'll be able to support my free content. I'm truly grateful for that. I'm keeping it free with no paywall, so thank you. And you can learn more about me at vavaevan.com. So thank you very much. All the links are in the description. Free trial, free onboarding, best coupon code, and the tutorials that show you how to use Link My Books for e-commerce sellers and for accountants and bookkeepers. Thank you very much. Keep going. Let's go. Thank you for watching.